In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use your PS3 iCamera on any Windows computer. So sorry for anybody that has a Mac. I'll try to put some information down in the description for Mac users, but this is just for Windows computers. So anybody that's tried to use their little PlayStation camera called the PS3i on their computer would know that when you plug it in, it'll tell you something like drivers not found or drivers not successfully installed, so you're not going to be able to use the camera. And that's because Sony develops these things just to be used with the PlayStation, so they don't really make any drivers available for computer use. However, there are workarounds for this, and I'm sure there's multiple methods on the internet. This is the one that I used. So I had to recently use this little camera on my computer, and I tried a lot of the free methods and the drivers just weren't working. They weren't allowing me to be enabled, and they were also taking me to some iffy websites with viruses and malware. So I finally found a solution that worked instantly for me, and I have to tell you guys, it isn't free. It's a whopping $2.99, but that's the price you pay for getting the product that works the best, in my opinion. But by all means, if you want to keep looking for the free versions, go ahead. I thought this method worked very well. It worked instantly for me, and it was a permanent fix for a one-time, very small payment. So if you go on the website, it's on the right-hand side. It says Download CL iDriver. That's where you're going to want to click that green button right there, and that's going to take you to the next page where you can pay with either PayPal or a credit card. I paid with PayPal just because I always find this to be safer, and it goes through the PayPal platform, so you do have some security there. And right after I made the payment, immediately I was able to download it. I believe it took me to a download page, but I know it sent me a download link in my email as well, so you could do it that way. And I don't want you guys to think this is like a paid sponsorship or anything for this website. I just came across this when I was looking for a way to get my PS3i to work on my computer. I have no affiliation with Code Laboratories in any way. But anyways, you're going to get the download file right here, and you're just going to run it and let it install. Depending on the speed of your computer, the installation time might be different. For me, it was around 4 minutes long, and then what I found was right after it finished installing, it'll create a little icon on your desktop. It's called something like PS3i test or something like that. That lets you test the camera to see if it's working or not. And right after I finished the installation, I was able to plug my PS3 iCamera into the computer, and now where it used to say drivers not found, it now instantly finds the driver, and the PS3 iCamera can now be used. And I can run that little test application to show you guys right now that the camera is functioning on my Windows computer. So I found this to be like the simplest, fastest solution to get your PS3i working on your laptop, on your Windows computer. And it also allowed me to use it in other applications too, so you can use it for whatever you want. I'm going to show you guys right here. It shows up in the device manager as well now, so it's just like any other normal device with a driver. So yeah, that's pretty much all you have to do to get your PS3 iCamera working on a Windows computer. I gave this file a scan with my Avira antivirus and my Malwarebytes antivirus, and both of them turned up negative on any viruses or malware, so it seems to be a-okay as long as you go through the trusted Code Laboratories website. If you guys found this helpful in any way at all, hit that like button down below, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button for lots of awesome tech and gaming videos. And as always guys, thank you for watching from XM360.